me.
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine, good. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, I have been even observing like the last day, there some conversations happen in groups and all. So I'm happy that some people really had a healthy conversation regarding the concepts and all. Let's see if you have any doubts and all. Also, I will clear it out today. Okay. We'll just quickly complete it, wrap it up, whatever the topic we have. Okay. And then we'll discuss the remaining things. Okay. Yeah. Today is our last day. Okay. So I'm just gonna wrap it up everything. Visual Studio Code. Let me open it up. File. Open folder. 730 Angular. Now, inside the Angular, inside the notes, the topic wise notes is available here. Now, not only that, if we go here, go to drive, go to drive, Angular 730, yeah, this is the batch. Now here also the topic wise things were there, including Angular interview question and answers are also there. Okay, no, sorry. I think this is, yeah, this is only. Angular interview questions are also there. Okay. So in this, what more we need to see? Pipes, forms, RxJS, services, TypeScript. Yeah, these were the major things. Regarding the notes and regarding the final project one, we don't have any notes, but until RxJS, the notes were available into the drive. Notes are available into the drive and also available into the GitHub. Okay. And also interview questions are also here. You can even check it, have a look at it. Now, notes will not be deleted after the completion of course. Notes will be available for the next 3 months. Even the GitHub repository also will be available next 3 months. Okay. Yeah. Let's see the main project. Terminal, new terminal. CD main. CD main. CLS. NG. Serve. Dash O. Which will open our application. What? We are having some error, I think. Okay, we are having this. Go to SRC, go to APP. I think they are saying it something styled CSS here, some semicolon. That is okay. For me, I will give. Anyway, let's go here. App. Now, what is the point that we did yesterday and day before yesterday? Now, everyone focus here, sir. We did login. We did registered. Login. We did sign up. Okay. and we did something dashboard. We did log out, right? Now, after this, now we printed all the products here. Okay. If you have exact images, logic is done yesterday for the stars. Only the point is we need some image. How did you put the stars? Yesterday someone asked me, put it the star rating. For that, what I did is I take three constants. Okay, first I am creating one pipe. In that pipe, what I did, I created three constants. One is full star, one is half star, one is empty star. The constants are not looking good. That's why it is coming like that. But if you are having like that, what will happen is first, for example, someone give you 4.83. Then I will divide it with modulus 10. Then I will divide it with 10. How many I got? 4. 4 full stars. Then am I getting any value or not? Like in reminder, am I getting or not? Yes, reminding I have something like 0.5, something 0.5. If I'm not having that 0.5 or something kind of one, then remaining value will be empty. If I am getting something 0.5 or something, then one half star. How many? One half star. After that, I will take it like maximum number of stars. Maximum number of stars basically 5. So now how many empty stars you need? Empty stars is equals to maximum stars minus full stars minus half stars. Full stars and half stars, if I subtracted how many I get, I will get empty stars. That is the basic logic I tried, sir. Okay. Now let's go here. Now in this, now what is our logic need to do? Sir, if I click on add to cart, cart should be updated, sir. When I open this one for this particular eyeshadow, I need one more page, sir. And if I click on this, I need one page where it will go to cart page, sir. These are the three things I want to do. Right? One is updating the cart. Okay, one is when a header. Another one is need product page and cart page. Okay. Once we do, basic thing will be over. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt, sir? No. Let's go here. Let's do it quickly. Okay. And along with this, if you get it any doubts also, you can ask me. And please refer the interview questions also. You will get a better idea. Now, first, I will go to service, because once the service is over, remaining all you can put it very easily. I created one service called cart service. Inside the cart service, I wrote it here. Sir, someone is writing it, sir. For me, when I'm doing inspect, product images are going little up and why. How to correct this? Check it on, sir. Check it on. The images printing is basic HTML. Okay. I'm not involving with it, but it's a basic HTML. It will come. Okay. The main reason must be this title. If a title is something for example, 2-line title is there, maybe the 2-line title may have some kind of disturbance. Okay, check it on those things. Now, anyway, let's go here for cart items. For cart items, this is for products. Get data is for products. I'm gonna create it one more thing, which is for cart items. Private cart items. Any and someone is Mahesh, what is the question? I didn't understand. When to use under? What under? You can use logical, and that's a basic logic. Like I am creating one subject, sir. Cart item subject, which is equals to new subject. Did you remember the concept of subject, sir, in RxJS? Subjects. Now, why do we use subjects, sir? Subjects are used for multi projections. Okay, my subjects are used for multi projections. Like for example, sir, multiple observables are there. Multiple access is there. Now you have in products page add to cart will be there. Each product page add to cart will be there. Maybe in home page also you will put add to cart. This all will update the cart, and that cart should be updated in cart page. That cart should be updated in header page, header component. So multiple components can update the one value, and multiple observables can access that value. This kind of concept can be done only using subjects. So that's why I created subject. But subjects cannot be accessed directly. Subjects will work as a observable also. So I am converting my subject into observable. Cart items OBS means observable. Cart items OBS observable. That means this dot cart subjects dot as observable. So I did three things, sir. First one, I created one empty array. Second one, I created a subject. Third one, I converted my subject into observable so that if any case future I need it, I will use that. Three things I did. One is items empty, one is subject, one is like observable converting. Any doubts, ma? No. Next, write some basic logics. Online is screen is coming correctly. Online, can you see the screen? It's lagging. Oh, I am using my hotspot. Just a minute. Now can you hear me, ma? Now can you hear me? Sir, just a minute. Now I think it's like in a minute it will just adjust. Now can you hear me, sir? Yeah. Sir, listen. I just created one empty array. I just created one empty subject. I just created one observable also. Nothing but this subject only I converted as observable. Subject only I converted as observable. Now next, let's write it here more. Add to cart. I write it one function add to cart. This function will take it one product. This function will take it product. Now in this product, what it will do? The moment product comes, it will add it to my empty array. Push to uh, push to pro. So the moment I got an object, I will push it. Second one, also subject. This dot item subject. This dot cart item subject dot next dot next. This dot cart items. This dot cart items. Why online? Is it clear, ma? Now can you hear me? Yeah. Now next one, sir. What if someone ask it like? What if someone ask it like? What about if I want how many items are there? Get cart items. then automatically I will return this dot, return this dot, cart items automatically. If someone asks it like clear cart, I'm not implementing clear cart, but you can do it. If someone asks it clear cart, you can make it this whole thing in an empty. Okay, you can make it whole thing empty. Now two things I did. One is add to cart. One is get cart. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts are here? No. So here, interesting point is products page, and another interesting point is header page. Go to header, header, and products key component. Okay. Now, so logic is very simple, sir. First, I will go to products.html. In products.html, I write one function called add to cart. If someone click on this add to cart, what will happen, sir? Click add cart. It is calling one function add cart. This function, it is passing some value p. P is nothing but product. Whole product it is passing. So products HTML passing to p value to add cart. To where it will pass? HTML where it will pass? TypeScript, na? Right or not? So it's not passing to cart page. First it is passing to TypeScript. Then our TypeScript will go products page. It's a data binding, sir. If anyone don't know, basic thing. Now it is coming to TypeScript. Inside the TypeScript, I will write it here, this function, add cart, which will take it like pro, which is any. Now here, it will call this dot. Now inside this particular function already add to cart is there now. Inside this function already add to cart is there. So I will write it add cart. Sorry, this dot cart service cs dot add to cart product. So when you click on the product, it will go to product service and it will add it the product. Right or not? Right or not? Now immediately, what it will happen? It will go to the cart service. It will go to the cart service. And inside the cart service, it will call add to cart. It will add this product value into cart items. What is cart item, sir? One empty array, sir. One empty array, sir. Then automatically, then next this the cart item subject also will become this array. Like inside this subject, this whole array will be there. Inside the subject, what it will be there? Whole array will be there. Any doubts, ma? No. Now who should know this all? Header should know. You click on add to cart tray. Cart is updated tray. But header should know na cart is updated. Header should print it na. Header should show 0, 1, I have. It should show. Because if it should don't show, user will not know. Are you getting my point, sir? Now we will write it from the header. Header also will take it this cart service and we will write it the header. Then the logic is same for all. Okay. Now let's write it here. Cart item count, which is equals to 0. Initially, I have it 0 number. I am taking not array. I am taking count. So first constructor private cs cart service. Now here, so the moment here, this one take it the cart service and then inside the cart service, it will take it here. Now I am using it something called ng on in it. The moment that particular thing comes, I just want to use one function which is like ng on init. For the persons who did not remember ng on init, it is a life cycle method which will run whenever you implemented the whenever the component started, it will work. So on init, write it here, implements on init. Ng on init here, I is small. That's it. So automatically it will work, sir. Now inside this, what it will do? Whenever the component updated, it will go to cart service, and inside the service, it will take this cart items. Okay, cart items OBS. OBS is an observable, na? Observable, how you will solve, sir? Observable, how you will solve? Subscribe, subscribe, and inside the subscribe, sir, let's take it here. Items. Now, whatever the value you got it, whatever the values you got it here, items. These items, okay, this dot cart items count equals to items is a array. Items is a array. Now that array dot length, like sir, whenever what you are doing it, sir. What is this? Items is of unknown type. Any what? Now what is this logic, sir? The logic is so simple. I am always, whenever someone clicking on the add to cart, I am taking that product and storing it in one array, right or not? Every time I am storing it in one array. But when someone header asking me, I will give array ka length, right or not? That's a basic logic. Now, this cart item account is need to be printed inside the header HTML. Go to header HTML. Go to header HTML, and here header mein cart symbol is there. This is the cart symbol. Here it will show. Here I will put something called span. And go to CSS. Inside the anchor tag, inside the span, whatever it is there, let's have a font size 36 pixel and write it here 36 pixel and uh, color white. Sir, instead of printing the length, someone is asking, instead of printing the length, we are printed that items in the cart. How can you print items in the cart? See, if you want it, you can print items in the cart in cart page. How will you print it the items in the cart in the header? Header को length चाहिए. Okay. Sir, can you please add toaster notification when we add? See, listen. You can add 1,000 features also. Okay. If you want a toaster, it is very simple. Whenever something added in cart service, only put one toaster. Simple. Create one toaster component and call it. Or you can take it any kind of libraries. Libraries will give you toasters. Like for example, Angular toaster. If you go here, see ngx toaster. There is one library named ngx toaster. Use this library, automatically you will get the toasters. Whenever you wanted, you can use the toasters. Okay, there is no problem in it. Like my only point is, whenever you wanna use it, that particular one will have a library. Use that. Okay, I can't put all the functionalities. Can you see here? I put it voluntarily something zero bigger. Okay, it's your CSS. If you wanna put it something up, down, something. Our logic is whenever I click on it, it's updating it. Any doubts? Any doubts are here? No. Not only that, if I go to cart page, inside the cart page, that whole thing should be printed now. Now inside the cart, how many values are there? 3. The 3 products should printed now. So go to cart page, right? Quickly. Cart. Cart ki HTML, cart ki types. Now inside the cart page, let's print it all of them. Okay. Now I will go here. I will just write it here. Constructor, private, cart service, cart service. As I told you before, once you made an exact service, remaining all are easy. When I made auth service, remaining all became easy. Same thing. Now here also, implements on init, ng on init, ng on init. Now this dot cs dot cs. If you see, there is one function get cart items. I wrote it. Everything you need to write it in service so that you can use anywhere you like it. That makes your work easy. So I will write it here one array cart. I am creating one array cart, which is like any. Now, whatever the values inside this, I will directly give it to cart. If an item already existed in cart items, then items again not added, sir. It gives me some alert message. See, listen. You can make your program how much complex you can. For example, item already there, sir. When I click on add to cart, it will not come, sir. Then what to do? Here, I am directly pushing in the cart service. I am directly pushing, right or not? The moment someone click on add to cart, I am pushing. Instead of pushing, do here some validation. Take this array, check it, is this array already having that particular one or not? How do you check it, sir? Find. There is one element, one function in array called find. Using find, check it, is it already there or not? If it is there, give some toast message alert. Not put it. Okay. So I am doing basic functionality. Again, I'm telling you. But any functionality you have in mind, tell me. I will tell you how to do. Okay. Now anyway, cart items came and put it here, print it. H1 cart class text center. Now next div hash products, div dot product, ng for already everything is inside an array. Let p of cart. Now inside this, now whatever the value inside this p, now I will give one class value, not only product. I will say display flux row, justify content, space between. Okay. Now here, this whole thing, class display flux colon gap 3. Okay. Margin 5, padding 5. Now inside this, what you will put? img tag. Inside the img p dot thumbnail. I already know that it is a thumbnail. Then here p dot title. Then here height 50, width 50, then go here, h3, p dot title, paragraph, price, p dot price. When I printed price, sir, I will use something called currency. Currency, which is INR. And here I will also use something like remove, something button. Any doubts, ma? Here, paragraph, total, initially 0, button, checkout, class, btn, btn, primary, outline. Sorry, why I gave it for this? I should give it for this. And for this total, sir, I will use some total logics. Sir, you are using Bootstrap in this project. Yes, I already started Bootstrap now. Now, also see here I got a item now. I wanted total also, sir. One logic total. Initially, total value is 0. I wanted total. How do you get it total, sir, for all items? How do you get it total, Ray? This dot, cart dot, reduce. For the persons who don't know, reduce is one method. Reduce is to find the total values. Previous value plus comma, current value, which is equals to previous value plus current value. In current value, whatever the price is there, I will add. Previous value initially started with 0. This total value will go to the this dot total. If anyone don't know what is reduce method, please check it. Reduce will go with accumulated values. If initially in this array, so many objects are there in this array. Now each and every object will have price, na? Now it will go to reduce. Reduce will go again and again. Now first one previous. Initially, what is the previous value? 0. 0 comma. Now whatever the object is there, first object ka current value. First object ka price value. So first object is having it like something 100 rupees. 0 plus 100, 100. 100 will become new value. Then again, second object is having 200. 100 plus 200, 300. If third item is having another 200, 300 plus 200, 500. Like that, total will be calculated into the total, and I will print the total here. Total having something pipe, currency, and now go here. Go here. Go to products. 1, 2, 3. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? No. Go to your cart page. Can you see all the items? Can you see your total items? Can you see your checkout button? कोई doubt है इधर? No. Checkout button, you will go here, something kind of, some kind of razor pay or something you can put if you want it. Okay. Now next. Next. Only one logic I need to put. One is each product ka page. each product ka page. Okay. So how do you put it? Each product ka pages. Each product also will have its own page. Now go here. You can implement that. Quickly will do. Where is products page? Inside this one, I will make it here as anchor tag. I will use href only, not router link. Okay. If someone click on this, it will go to page product, product, product. Here, if you see in the routing, you mentioned here already. Where is routing? You mentioned here already. In case if someone click on this product page, call an ID, it will go to that particular product page. So I will go here slash slash. I will write it here p p.id. Now I will put target equals to blank so that it will come in a new line. So what is this p.id? Product ID. So that means what will happen, sir? If you click on this Escara, it will open a new page. Can you see product slash one is coming? कोई doubt है? Now when this product slash one is coming, I want that product page na. So how do you get it? Go to product component. Inside the product component, let's go here. Let's write it here something. Go here. TypeScript first. Now here import cart service constructor private cs cart service. Now here ng on init implements on init. Now I need to go first not only on init, I need to know what is the ID inside the route. Private rs route no router. Now here if I write it this dot rs dot rs dot rs dot params no rs dot parameters, so not router. Then what I can do, router link this dot routes private. What is router mean? Router is in a class, sir. You can use it. Earlier when I used navigation, I used that now. Okay. Now I am just checking it. Router link. I want to get that parameter, sir. This dot rs dot parameters. Query parameters. Query params. Query params dot nahi. This dot rs dot href on click on destroy. I want that query parameters only. Here, this one is also not having it. Which function is having it? Is it router link active? Get or go here. Sir, why you are using href instead of router in product speech? Understand it. If I use router instead of href router link, I will go into the same one. I wanted to open in a new page. That's why I used href. कुछ नहीं होता ना उसमें. Now here query params Angular. So let's get it here. This dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. How do I get them? Activated routes. The class name which I'm looking for is activated routes. Perfect. Now this dot rs dot params dot subscribe. Then here value equals to console.log value dot get. Now go here value. Let's go here. Let's see it here what is happening. Now if I go here, if I click on this essence mascara, then it is going into product/1. Correct. Product/1. What is your target, sir? My target is this product/1 is there, na? I want that one. I want that number. If I get that number, I can able to get it. Object inside the object, what it is having? ID. Inside the ID, 1. Perfect. So v.id if I print. What it will print now? It is having index signature. Index signature बोले तो ऐसा चाहिए. Perfect. Now I got it here 1. Perfect. If I go, so I can able to get what is in the what is here. I can able to get it. Once I get it, I will call API. After getting it here, I will call API. How do I get it API, sir? See this dot cart service dot get specific data, and for that data I will give one ID value which is 1. I already wrote that particular one. When I will get it here one observable, I will subscribe them. And I will get this result, and I will store that result into my product data, which I will create it here. Product, which is of any. And I will store this whole product data inside this. This dot product equals to response. Now here I will also write it console.log this dot product. For the persons who did not get it, what is get specific data? I already write it in cart service. Go here, cart service. In this I write it one function get. If someone asks you get data, it will call this particular dummy JSON. If someone asks get specific data, for example, first product data only I want, then I will call this only first product data. If I want only second product data, it will call second product data. Right or not? Very simple logic, sir. Now let's go here. See, it is printing only first product data. So it is working correctly. Now go here, product pickup page. Now here, let's print it. Div dot container inside div dot row, div dot call 12 dot call lg 6 call lg 6 lg 6 control c control v. This is a basic bootstrap ma. Sir, id has to be passed inside the get specific data instead of 1. Array 1 is the id ray. Oh, no. This guy is right. This guy is right. I am forgetting. ID has to be passed, na? That is right only. Here, this ID has to be passed because it is the first product. It is coming every time first product correctly. Okay, you are right. Now, in this context, what I will do, I will take it one value ID, which is any. Okay, so and I will store it here instead of printing it in console. I will say someone in the online said it right. Perfect, Surendra. This dot ID is equals to VID. So now here I will pass ID. Perfect. Now it will work perfectly. Now here it will print it, sir. What I will print? I will print IMG, which is what is the name of the product? Product product dot thumbnail and product dot title. Okay, height 500 pixel. Now width 600. Now go here. Go here. I don't think I can mention it also. It will automatically adjust, I think. If it's not adjusting, I will try it. Now here, H3, product dot title. Now here, paragraph, product dot description. Already something description is also there inside the API. Or next, P, price, product dot price. But I will use something called currency so that I will get it in INR. And I will put one more button, which is add to cart button, add to cart. And if someone click on add to cart, what it will happen, sir? Click add cart and it will pass the product. Then it will go here, add cart, which will have pro of any. Then here, this dot, what? Oh, I am writing add cart inside this now, not inside ng on in it. This one. Now here, this dot, cs dot, add to cart. Automatically it will go here pro. Simple. Can you see, sir? This automatically responsive. This is automatically responsive one. Now go here. Go here. Container spelling wrong. That's why it's coming like that. Container will come it in middle exactly. And also, I don't know why padding is not applied. Let's apply padding 5. Top and bottom. Margin 5. Let's go and check it our logic about products. In products also I need some container, sir. Let's go to products page. It's a basic CSS, sir. Class text center and class container. Any doubt, sir? No. See, first I go to the products page. Now, if I click on add to cart, see, my shadow is adding to the cart. Now go down. If I click on this nail polish, see the nail polish is opening it here. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? Is everything clear till now? Okay. Now, instead of href, if I try router link, it will not change the thing. I tried it with router link, but let's try what? This one is added. Now, if I click on it, this is the problem. See, it's actually going it from here. Why? This is the problem, Ray. From starting, it's happening. It. No, it's working if you don't give dot. If you don't give dot, it's working, sir. Okay. Now, also in my project, I used something called NGX Bootstrap. I don't know whether you remembered it or not. I just put it, but I did not use much of the thing. Okay, much of the thing. So I will go here. I will use something called component. Some component like scroller. See, this one I will use. This is called carousel. You all know that, na? Carousel. So I will go here. I will say component file. Let's go here. Template. Carousel. Go here. API. First, I need to take this module, carousel module. Go here. Go to this particular one. See, sir, everything which I'm doing it, I will do it in front of you only. So you try to do it on your own more and more. Okay. So it's very simple. If you read the documentation only, you can able to learn. And I need to add this carousel module import. Go down. Perfect. Then carousel component. Go here. Let's go to home page. Let's put it on the home page. In the home page, the carousel is coming, but the images are not there. Let's put some nice images. E-commerce banners. Right click. Next. అరే టైం వేస్ట్ అది సార్. One, this one I allowed. Not this. Control C. Go here. Control V. And go here. Control C. Go here. Control V. Next. Go here. Control C. Control V. Go to your main project. Can you see this, sir? This is my main project. This is the problem. The images are, if you are getting same images of similar height, then you can able to adjust it nicely. Height. 600. No, the height is not applying it because in style you gave width 100%. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so my point is some images which are of similar height and it will automatically work. The home page will look good. Okay. Are you getting my point, ma? And I didn't do two pages which are about page and contact page. I don't think it's a big deal. About page and contact pages. Okay. Anyone have any doubts in this particular project? No. I will push this project into the GitHub now. You can even try this. If you try with this one project, this will explain you RxJS, this will explain you services, this will explain you Firebase, this will explain you, basic concepts like data binding and all. Everything will be there, including pipes and directives and all. Along with this, sir, I wanted payment gateway also. You can use something Razorpay. Okay. The Razorpay is the very easiest payment gateway. Okay. Someone is asking what we will put it in about. Some description about the page. Put it about us and put some nice description about you. Simple, na? It's a lorem only. Okay. Any doubt, sir? No. Now, there is something called Deepak preloading. Listen, I think I already told you when I explain you Angular 18, I told you how to put it a preloading one, which is like loading one, fallback. Okay. If you wanted preloading one, you can use something called fallbacks. Okay. Usually we don't do. Preloadings are not a good way to do the website. Don't put it. Now, there are some payment gateways like Razorpay, or there is a payment gateway like Razorpay, or there is a payment gateway like InstaMojo, or there is a payment gateway like PayU. If it is a payment gateway, sir, you don't need to pay the services initially. If you want to create an account in Razorpay, it's free. After you created an account, they will, like every transaction, they will charge you 1.2 to 2 percentage. If 100% is there, 100 rupees someone transferred to you through Razorpay, you will get 98 rupees into your account. Are you getting my point, ma? And they will provide you the UPI and all the things. Any doubts here? Okay. Now, online someone asked it auth cards. Actually, earlier I showed you how to use the auth cards also. You can put the auth card here. Can activate. If you create one auth card, can activate. Already Firebase will give you whether that guy is correctly activating or not. Check it. If that guy is correctly logged in, then only push it into a dashboard. Else don't give it the dashboard directly. Are you getting my point? Yeah. Yeah. Sir, could you show once again about Firebase and creating a project and app in Firebase? Go to Firebase website. Go to console. Click here new project and then give the project name and all. It will create one project. It will open a project like this. Inside this, here you are having already one app. You can create it here. It will come something like which app, which one you want to create. It will show something like this. If you want to create web one, it will ask you the name and then it will give you details. Automatically, it will give you all the API keys. You don't need to give any other information. Interesting point is Firebase, you can also use Gemini. Are you getting my point, sir? Recently, people started using Gemini. If you created one Firebase AI app, you can even use directly AI, but it's a paid service now. Okay, this is not 100% free. It's a paid one. Okay, it's like minimal is free, but as of I have seen, it's a paid one only. So better not to go. Now, other than Firebase, what else are there? Same like Firebase, you can use something called Supabase. Supabase is a open source alternative for Firebase. They only mentioned it. See, Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative. It will give you more options than Firebase for less cost. Or something like AppWrite. But AppWrite work nicely, but AppWrite don't work nicely with Angular. For React, it's an excellent source. Okay. Any doubts, sir? Does anyone have any doubts here? No. Sir, go to bottom of the page in products page and move back to home page and come back to products page. It will increase bottom. What? I'm not getting it, Srinivaslu. Products page, home page, products page. What will happen? What will increase the bottom, Ray? Sir, still it is in the bottom or not? I'm not getting, Ray. What it is in the bottom? Are you saying footer? You can even put a category. You can even put a filter category, get only specific category and all. It's all up to you. Okay. If time is there, I can do more better, but this one is good, not bad. Okay. So try it, sir. Okay. Try it something good. Make it responsive. Make it look better. Okay. Add more and more functionalities. If you want to try it, take my code only and from If you want to try it, take my code, and from my code, you can try it more. Okay. Yeah. That's it for today, sir. If anyone have any doubts, you can let me know. Angular interview questions are already inside the Angular drive. You have a drive link, ma. Everyone, I gave the drive link long back. Inside the drive link, you will have this Angular interview questions. Okay. After this course, if you have a time, please go through the React. You can learn the React in a 6 day to 7 days. In this Dasara holidays, try with React, sir. Okay. Today will be our last class, and tomorrow onwards you can have your Dasara vacation, and Monday onwards you can have your classes, whatever you want. Okay. All the best to you all in your career, and thank you so much. Yeah. Anyone have any question, you can ask me. Sir, 6 to 7 days it will be over, sir. It will be over, ma, because same thing only. There also components will be there. There also similar things will be there. Free source to learn React. YouTube is the best free source to learn React. How many days pending for completing Angular course? Today is last. Today is last, sir. For some people who are not concentrating in the class. See, someone is asking question. Angular is a front end. How do we connect back end? That is what we did till now. Like last 10 days, I connected so many backends using API. On Monday, which course will start? I don't know which course start for you. Sir, could you show a good site to learn React? There is no good site to learn React. There are so many tons. Any particular YouTube channel? I don't prefer any YouTube channel. But you can try it. Which one is your mother tongue? For example, if you are a Hindi guy, watch the YouTube videos in Hindi only. Don't watch it in English. If you are a Marathi guy, watch it in Marathi only. That will be easy. Sir, will you teach tools? Not in this course. Course ho gaya. Any doubts, ma? No. That's it for today. Thank you all. Bye bye.